going on? How's everyone doing?
Shout out to Colin. Everybody else who's cool with Colin.
Chucky, I didn't say.
Eat your popcorn and your Coca-Cola and relax.
Anyway, tell Colin I'm ready.
What's going on? This is Colin. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great day so far. I've got another one. Happy Thanksgiving. Sorry about the sigh. This is a potential sovereign citizen. I say potential because he actually claims to be a sovereign citizen at one point of the video. Doesn't really go use the script though, but this is an arraignment. The judge or the magistrate doesn't really let him talk all that much, even though he says a lot more than he should. His next appearance is in a week. It's actually a Taylor case, so we're going to get to see it too. So we'll see if he's an actual sovereign citizen. We'll see what that date looks like. All right, I'm yapping away. Before I hit that play button, you know what to do. Hit the like and subscribe. Do your jump kick backflips. Let's go.
Sir, the judge would like to speak with you, okay?
Mr. Ashby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mr. Ashby, it's my understanding that you choose to represent yourself?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have that right, sir, but you also have the right to have an attorney. Again, I says you have the right to represent yourself, but you also have the right to have an attorney. The court would urge you to consider having an attorney represent you for the arraignment.
Yeah, I would like that.
Pardon me? Mr. Ashby, do you want a lawyer to talk to you or not?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I don't need
So-
to talk to me.
Pardon me, sir?
I know the law, ma'am. I am a
Want a
sovereign.
lawyer? Sir,
See,
can you stand up so I can see you? Okay.
All right, they're talking over each other, so it's kind of hard to say. But what he just said is, I know the law, ma'am. I'm a sovereign citizen. That's what he said. This is why I say, is a sovereign citizen born for the title of this clip. Again, he doesn't use the script at all, but he says that. So we'll see what happens. We'll see.
Hey, sir, do you want a lawyer to represent you or not? Mr. Ashby, do you want a lawyer?
Not through the Wayne County Court, no.
Let me ask you this again, because there's a little bit interference. Do you want a lawyer to represent you? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room so you can talk to the attorney.
I appreciate that.
Thank you.
They say an attorney has his hands for a client, has a full for a client.
Okay, sir, you don't need to say anything.
Oh, sorry, Your Honor.
Go ahead. All right. All right. Mr. Ashby, say your full name, sir.
Gregory Mark Ashby II.
Thank you, Mr. Ashby. I'm Magistrate at Judge Thayer. You're here on a criminal matter. Case number is 822472529701, sir. You have an attorney. Go ahead, counsel.
Ryan Murad, PA 3665. On behalf of Mr. Gregory Ashby, we waive the reading. Mr. Ashby stands mute. He's been advised of his rights.
Thank you. I'm going to enter a plea of not guilty. Court dates are December 9, 2024. Probable cause conference followed by preliminary examination, December 16, 2024. Both matters at the Taylor District Courthouse. Do you understand those court dates, Mr. Ashby?
Can I have them read aloud so I can understand them, please?
December 9th and December 16th.
2024. 9th and the 16th.
Both of them.
This year.
The 9th and the 16th. Yes, sir. All right. Mr. Ashby, you have some bond conditions. You're not to have contact with a Jarrell Farley. Jarrell Farley, that means no person-to-person contact, no contact to third parties, no phone calls, no emails, no text messaging. You're not to possess any firearms or any other dangerous weapons, and there is no assaultive or combative behavior while this case is pending. Do you understand those bond conditions?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Detective Oliver,
Yes, Your Honor.
give me any assaultive history or convictions pending cases.
He has prior convictions for domestic violence. I believe either one or two of them have been pled down to misdemeanors. Mr. Ashby, prior to this incident, was in our custody and was released from custody from a personal bond from our district court judge, and then exited our police station and committed this second offense. Mr. Ashby, history of not.
Detective?
Yes.
That detective, what was he released on, the personal bond? What was the underlying charge?
He was creating a disturbance in a wearing body armor and having a knife on his person. He was subsequently arrested for outstanding warrants.
Okay. And these domestic violence, are they convictions?
Yes.
How old?
I do not know the exact year, Your Honor.
Are they out of Taylor?
No.
Okay. Okay. Mr. Ashby, please don't say anything. Don't say anything. That's why you have an attorney to represent you. Do you understand that? Do you understand what I've told you? A yes or a no? Mr. Ashby, it's not that hard. I told you not to say anything. Do you understand that? You can shake your head, Mr. Ashby.
I like how the magistrate just realized she contradicted herself. Asking if you understand, but right after asking the guy a question if he understands, right after she says don't say anything. So he's just like, what am I supposed to do? It was kind of funny. You just kind of saw the look on his face like, yeah. Anyways, let's keep going.
Okay. And I say that because anything you say, it can be used against you. That's why you have a lawyer to represent you. Do you understand that? Okay. Detective Oliver.
Yes, Your Honor.
When he was released and given personal bond, the underlying charges, misdemeanor or felony?
Misdemeanor.
Okay. Counsel Murad, go ahead, Esteban, please.
Judge, I'm asking you to consider releasing Mr. Ashby today, maybe on a personal bond or GPS tether. I would advise that Mr. Ashby is 37 years old. I didn't hear any felony history. I don't see anything used to habitualize him on this warrant. He indicates that he does receive government assistance as a sole means of income. I know that he can't post a bond. There are definitely, I think, going to be some competency issues moving forward with regard to criminal responsibility. I do think that eventually, an evaluation should take place for Mr. Ashby, but given the absence of any sort of violent felony history, I do acknowledge the DV conviction. But in the absence of violent felony history, I don't have a police report here. I know what the charge is, but I would still ask the court to consider releasing Mr. Ashby on a personal bond so he doesn't have to go to jail, or at the minimum, tethering him to the Christian Guidance Center. That way, he would have somewhere to be that's not the Wayne County Jail, Your Honor, if the court's not inclined to just release him.
All right. Another time the defendant was speaking and you couldn't understand what he's saying. What sucks is they're doing these arraignments. He's behind that glass panel in his cell, so it's really hard to hear him. But he just said he'd like to fire his lawyer. Yeah. Mr. Murad just essentially said he's incompetent to stand trial. I think that's because he probably used some sovereign citizen arguments in their little conference that they had earlier. I don't know that to be true, but I'm gonna hope that this is a sovereign citizen. We're not gonna find out till December 9th when he's either in front of Shaq or in front of Slavin, but I'm gonna give you a follow-up. Okay, let's keep going. I'm gonna let this play till the end, and then I'll say goodbye.
Talk to your client right now because he wants to say something.
So, Mr. Ashby, everything we're saying here is recorded, and it could always be used against you. It's always our recommendation for you not to say anything, but you do have the right to make any statement you'd like. We just would caution you against it, okay?
Hold on for a moment. It's an emergency.
I guess.
What you can do noon, that's fine. I got,
Can't get it.
no, just turn it on at 2 o'clock, basically.
Now I'd like to file.
Folks, I apologize. All right, Bert. All right, Mr. Ashby. Okay,
Yes, Your Honor.
you heard what your attorney said, not to say anything. Is that correct? Okay. You understood the court dates and the bond conditions. Is that correct?
Can I get the court date allowed me what's going to get 19th? The 19th.
December 9th, hey, December 9th and December 16th. Okay. Now, this is what's concerning to the court. Mr. Ashby, okay, is, once he is released outside of the Taylor Police Department, he is accused of committing another offense. And this offense is carjacking, which under court rule 6.1, he can be remanded, no bond.
I would like to file for a motion to dismiss.
Do not say anything, Mr. Ashby. Okay. Well, the court is not going to do, because the court does believe that there is enough for, under the carjacking, to be a remand. This court is going to do a monetary bond. And with that monetary bond, he's going to have a GPS tether, house arrest. And he's going to have a bond of $100,000 cash surety. Mr. Ashby, $100,000 cash surety, okay? Whoever your attorney is can approach the judge in Taylor Court about changing your bond amount and your bond conditions. Do you understand that? And it can be done before your court date. Do you understand that also? Okay. Councilman Murad, anything else?
Judge, can we refer him, can we put in the register of actions a competency referral?
No, we can't do this.
Not at the
That has
arraignment
to be at
stage?
the exam.
Got
Not at the arraignment stage, but the exam stage.
I haven't
or
seen it, I
probable
just thought I'd
cause
ask.
stage. No
Okay.
problem. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Nothing further.
That concludes Mr. Ashby's arraignment.
All right, that's it. I don't know, another one, I'm sure you guys couldn't hear too well, but he said he'd like to file a motion to dismiss. I think we have a sovereign citizen, but we have to wait till December 9th to find out. I don't think he's going to be bonding out, so we're probably going to be waiting until December 9th. Okay, that's it. I hope you guys have a great day. Happy Thanksgiving once again. Third video today. I must not have a lot to do. I am still going live tonight, so I hope to see you guys then. If you like the video, please hit that like button. Until next time, bye.